But the second group that used oxygenated pie water retained their healthy tails and no cancer cells developed. The same positive effect was experienced by engineer Ernest L. who was diagnosed with cancer of the lymph nodes. A prominent hospital in the Philippines confirmed that it was at stage 4. Engineer L. tried taking oxygenated pie water, and to his surprise, after drinking the water for just 20 days, the diagnosis turned negative as evidenced by the report of the same hospital. Reniel Sepe and Renzel Sepe are 9-year-old twin boys. Renzel was diagnosed with brain tumor at the back of his eyes. But after drinking oxygenated pie water in just 3 months, a CT scan revealed a negative result of the tumor.
It was on the second week of July 2002 when Hema Onco Dr. Dalisay of BGX Cancer Institute announced and confirmed that the final diagnosis of my grandson, Christian Clark Ligali, a 3-year-old boy, to have a chronic myelogenous leukemia. No cure, hopeless case according to them. He said maybe through bone marrow transplant, which cost 3 million pesos. I said, oh, wala akong magagawa. So, it was indeed a very painful route. So we submitted to the doctor's prescription, chemotherapy. After 30 bags of blood transfusion, chemotherapy, infections after infections. Nag-enlarge ko po yung kidney, nagka-pneumonia na, and yung diarrhea, and everything. The boy was really in severe pain. Yung bang makita mo na lang na nanginginig na po ang laman, bone and skin. Hindi ko, Lord, ano ba, anong hiligin ko sa'yo? Surrender na lang po ako. Till one blessed Sunday, Sister Mawa saw the boy, and he offered me pie water. October 3, the boy was scheduled for check-up, and the boy went home na talagang, ano na ba yung malalim ng kanyang mata. Tapos talagang, ayaw ko na siyang tingnan, hindi ko na kaya. At least the baby is now diarrhea. Pwede bang madalang yung pie water? The whole night, pinainom namin yung pie water. The whole night, the boy was really sleeping in pain. Yung bang nakarest lang siya, hindi na siya tumatay. Tapos, sabi ko, talagang hindi ako makatulog dahil inobserbahan ko yung baby. Hindi na po siya nagkain ng magdamag while that whole day, halos 10 times siyang talagang tumatay at tubig na tubig. So, from that time, pie water na po yung binibigay namin sa baby. After 3 weeks, indeed, the baby was getting well. Kinuha na siya ng CBC, nag-normal po yung ano niya, yung breath niya. October 26, we went to the hospital PGX. Sinunan siya ng bone marrow analysis. And it took us another 2 days na maghintay sa result. And indeed, the doctor was so amazed. Sabi niya, oh, indeed, ang resulta, the boy is in remission. Ibig sabihin, gumagaling po yung baby. Sabi niya, no cure. Sabi niya, naglalaro ng God, and I know God will completely heal this baby. And this is good news. Marami pong nangangailangan, marami pong leukemia victims sa PGX, wala po silang pera, there are many children.
Oxygenated pie water can help people suffering from cancer, arthritis, hyperacidity, obesity, cardiovascular disease, kidney disease, asthma, stroke patients, prostate cancer, diabetes, tumors, and many others. Although UltraPi oxygenated water is not a medicine, the prestigious National Consumer Award honored us by awarding our product the Best Medicinal Water Award in 2005. If you're under medication, UltraPi oxygenated water will make it work faster and easily absorbed by the body. And if you're not sick, you still have all the reasons why you need to drink oxygenated Pi water. It's a great thing we have oxygenated Pi water, a perfect solution to keep ourselves hydrated. It's a powerful body acidity balancer. It is easily absorbed by the body. It can penetrate the cell wall due to its small clustered water molecules. It can enhance cellular hydration. It can energize the cells, making it a perfect cell rejuvenator. It enhances removal of toxins, making it a powerful detoxifier. It can increase the oxygen carrying capacity of our cells, and it can effectively boost the energy level of our body and increases its stamina. Supplement your body with the much needed life-sustaining water. Take oxygenated Pi water.